Good morning. We will today cook one nice fruit macaroni cake. It's very easy, not very economic recipe. Very good to do it for Sunday morning breakfast, for any breakfast, or just for unexpected guests, or just for anyone else. And I will use such things like a macaroni, about 500 grams. Then I will use some few teaspoonfuls of butter, fresh fruits, and cinnamon powder, and nutmeg powder, and some sweet pepper rolls. I need you will see in the process what else I will need: some fruits, some raisins, some maybe nuts, maybe cashew, maybe peanuts, maybe almonds, any other nuts. So macaroni we need to cook, macaroni or pasta, you can use whatever you like, for any type. We need for cook them very big pan, because for 500 of macaroni there must be need maybe 6 liters of water. So I take big pan. First I take big pan. I fill it with 6 liters of water. I will show you. You see now, big pan, 6 liters of water, and I will put it on a big fire for makes it cook, make it boil, make water boil very soon. Usually we cook macaroni with salt, but this time I will not do this because I will do sweet cake. So, and I prefer use less salty food, because actually it makes us fat, and and all my recipes quite enough fat with macaroni, so I will try to reduce the risk of be fatter more. Better try something diet. But this day will do very nice, and little bit thick dish, not so thick, but a little bit thick. So okay, next what I will, while we boil water, I will prepare such things. I need about 4 or 5 eggs. So I just open the eggs and put this in some nice cup or bowl. So then I will take my small melt. I melt them. My 4 eggs. My 4 eggs, sorry, it's chicken eggs, or hen eggs. Like to be kidding something. Okay, I melt them. Not necessarily melt them into the foam. It's just must be nice melted. Not so much. During the process, when it's half melted, I will add milk. I will need some about half liter of milk. Half liter of milk, as I show. It's about 2 cups or 2.5 of cups of milk. Then I melted with milk my eggs, and I will add some sugar, just white sugar. If you like brown sugar, you can put brown sugar. If you don't like too much sugar, you can reduce sugar. But actually, it will be big cake, so I add 4 full spoon of sugar, and continue to melt them. Continue to melt this mix. Okay. Still water is coming to be boiled, and I'm just waiting. Now I just cover my I finish melt eggs, milk, and sugar. I do not put any salt, only sugar, eggs, and milk, and I cover that with paper, or you can cover it with tape. It's just because I don't like some dust or something not nice to fall down into this bowl. Next things, I'm just searching for some small plate or small dish, and I will take the rolls of sweet rolls of guava. Guava rolls are very nice for put into this cake. If you cannot get guava rolls, you can put guava jam. But if you have not this guava, you can put any jam, any sweet jam, what you like. It can be just peach jam or strawberry jam, any one you like. But I like guava. Guava is very nice and very healthy. So on the other side, I took my fruits. This day I had some strawberries and some other berries. You can use any berries or peaches, or even you can use apples or pears or any fruits you like. And I add to there two tablespoonful of sugar. You can use a little bit less or a little bit more by your wish, and almost a quarter of a small glass of boiled water. I add into the bowl with fruits. Small bowl with fruits, and add water and sugar, and put it into the microwave for 5 minutes. What for to heat them and make them softer and obtain some more nice consistency. With sugar it will be better, but you can, if you like less sugar recipe, you can use much less sugar. Next thing I will do, I will cut my guava rolls. I just take my rolls as I bought it. I bought it in the shop, in supermarket. So, but you can get it anywhere if you live in near to the shop or to the market. And I just take the plastic wrap off and put it on some nice plate. These rolls are very, very, very tasty. Really, it's sweet, tasty, and have a lot of vitamins, as I heard. So I suppose it's healthy recipe. Okay, I took all the wraps out of them and put it in trash bin. I mean plastic wraps, not the guava rolls. Now I will continue with rolls. I will cut them in small pieces. I just put them all together and cut them in small pieces. If you use jam, of course, you will not need to cut. You just will use a few spoons of jam, and you will add it directly into your preparation. I cannot stop tasting it. Guava is very, 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 very tasty. It's delicious. It's delicious by itself. Okay, so I finish cut them. Next step, I will put it aside and cover it with just some aluminium wrap, or you can cover it with plastic wrap or with anything else, just for keep them covered. It's because of dust. Actually, I live in some dust place, and so I don't like to get some not necessary things in my cook. Now I have also some 2 kiwi fruits. I will peel them and cut them in small pieces, or if you like big pieces, it's okay. Or if you like just cut them in rounds, like suckers, you can do this. Okay, after 5 minutes my fruits with sugar are ready. I took it from the microwave. Same time I continue to cover them because this day is very, I don't know what is here, but it's windy and dusty. So now I peel my kiwi. 2 of them I have. You can use some more or some less. You can change them for any other fruit, as I said to you. It's just by your choice and what you have on in your house and at the moment. You can use whatever you like. Usually kids and even adult people love fruits, usually most of us. And it's healthy. Very good for health, because contain vitamins, not contains fats, and not contains salt, not contains even sugar. So you can use without sugar. We can eat them whenever we like. Okay, so I cut my kiwi. Not in very small pieces, I cut them medium pieces. One by one. And it is ready. I just try to peel them very well for not to keep some small pieces of not good cut peas. Okay, this process is almost finished, and I suppose my water is almost to become boiling. So I show you just. I add my kiwi to the bowls of fruits with sugar and water. I mix them all together and put it aside for a while. No, same time, yes, of course, I like to add some cinnamon powder into my fruits, in the bowl of with fruits. Some cinnamon powder will be very nice. And mix them. Cinnamon powder, kiwi, berries, strawberries, other berries, sugar, and I put it for maybe some few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes into the microwave again. Not for a long time, just for a short time. Or because I like to cook in the microwave, but you can do same process just on your stove. It's by your wish. Okay. Now I have water boiled, so I open my bag with macaroni or pasta. As I said, I used the good quality pasta. Water is boiling, so it's nice boiling water. It's high temperature, so I just add my old macaroni into the pan with cold water, and same time I add some anise seeds, because it will be sweet cake, so I want to give that one some more nice flavor. And I will put also some seeds of sweet pepper, or we say peppermint but sweet. So our macaroni with coconut, and some little bit more nutmeg powder. Some nutmeg powder too, and we'll cook macaroni. Macaroni you cook in the big amount of water. Usually, as I said, it must be 5 or 6 more water than quantity of macaroni or pasta. So it passed maybe. I live in high mountain place, so here we need to cook some more time. It's about 25 minutes. You can get your macaroni ready in 10 or 15 minutes. You just read the instructions on your macaroni package or macaroni box and just follow the instructions. Okay? So in my case it was 25 minutes actually. I taste them. So now I drain the water. You can usually, of course, use better colander for drain water. As I lost my colander, I don't know where, during my last move. So I use as my grandmom used to do. I drain water, but just cover it with the tape. So now you see I have my pasta or my macaroni ready. I just little bit clean my workplace. I throw trash into the trash box, trash bin. So I show you. This is nice soft macaroni now. And I take off the seeds of anise and take off the seeds of peppermint because it's not looks beautiful. It looks a little bit maybe scared. Like pieces of something. So I'm just taking it off from my macaroni. You can use different style. You can use some special small bag for cooking the flavor seeds, and then you will take off that small bag. As I had no today, so I did it my manner. Then I add about 1 tablespoon of butter. I use today I use ghee. Ghee is just a cooked butter. It's Indian style. It's very healthy, but you can use normal butter, or if you like, you can use even margarine. But of course, butter is preferable. Then mix it with butter. It will be soft and nice mix. In the same pan. Then I take my mold, cooking shape mold. Put this side. Here, as you remember, I have eggs melted with water, with milk and sugar. I also add now 3 tablespoonfuls of wheat flour into the eggs with milk and sugar, and I will melt them. Better use, of course, an electric mixer. It will be much more quickly. But I'm not in rush, so I do it softly by hands. Hand melter. It not takes a lot of time, as you see. Don't start from the bottom, you start from the superficial, and then you come into the bottom of the bowl, and you will see I can do it very accurately. So, but for the first time, of course, you can it slowly. I put some vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoonful of vanilla essence. Also, I add cinnamon powder. You can add any other flavor what you like. I prefer cinnamon. So I have vanilla, cinnamon, eggs, milk, sugar, and a little bit wheat flour. I melt them some minutes more, not very much, just to get good mix. Okay. Almost ready. A few seconds more. Whatever your fantasy like, you can, of course, turn on your imagination and you can add any other flavors you like. So, okay, now I add mix of eggs, milk and sugar and all that into the pan with cooked macaroni, with butter. Mix them well. Mix them well. Put raisins and nuts, crushed nuts, peanuts. I have peanuts, I have almonds, and I don't remember what even I had that day, but all I had. And I mix them very well. I usually prepare my nuts and raisins before to mix them into my cake. I boil them for 1 or 2 minutes into the microwave with water for get them a little bit less hard. It's I like to use them soft. Okay, I took off from the microwave fruits too, and I mix all fruits, nuts, raisins with macaroni mix. Macaroni mix. Okay. I take my molder and some butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, just one. You can maybe if you need you can use a little bit more, maybe 1 teaspoonful too. It's just for cover the shape for cooking or molder with butter. I do it with hand. You can use brush, but I prefer do it with hand. Softly, nicely, every corner. Okay, I wash my hand I like to use in my kitchen just paper towels. But you can use normal towels to clean your hands, to dry them. So now I put inside the molder all macaroni, fruits, nuts, all that mix. I do it slowly because I do not like to lose any secret of my nice preparation. Okay. So it's just in the cooking shape. Have it ready. Then I will decorate it with some left cutted guava rolls, some pieces of guava. You can decorate it with jam or even with chocolate. Some chocolate chips can be added, or just small pieces of chocolate or chocolate candies you can use too. And some last fruits and nuts, I put it just for decoration. You can use any decoration you like. Even you can prepare maybe some cream. But I try to make it more natural, more healthy, so and I will put it. And I will put in microwave, in high temperature microwave. In my case, as I tell you, as I live in the high mountain, we need more temperature, more high temperature, and more time for cooking. I will put it for 35 minutes in the microwave, into the microwave. But maybe you live in another place, just almost sea level place, and so you will need only maybe 15, 20, 25 minutes, no more. Okay. My cake is ready. I prepared orange juice. You can use mixed juice. I like to serve it with juice, but you can use it with chocolate, with coffee, with tea, or with lemonade, or any other drink. So now I cut my cake. It really smells nice. It smells.
Gangnam Style.
Felicità, e tenersi per mano, andare lontano la felicità, e i tuoi sguardi innocenti in mezzo alla gente la felicità, e restare vicini come bambini la felicità, felicità.
Felicità, è un cuscino di piume, l'acqua del fiume che passa e che va, e la pioggia che scende dietro le tende la felicità, e abbassare la luce per fare pace la felicità, felicità.
Felicità, è un bicchiere